guys, welcome back to my channel. So someone sent this to me to react to and I kept forgetting. I forgot to do it yesterday when I reacted to their Comeback Home MV. I saw a photo of them wearing these cute ass outfits. Like Lido I think was wearing a little sailor outfit or something, and the beginning it looks like Raven's wearing like a cowboy outfit. I have no idea what this is. No idea. I can't even read it. It just says 4K Dance Monkey, Oneus Choreography, Stage Break. I have no idea what this is. So I'm really excited. I don't want to waste any more time. I just want to get into it. Lido's my bias, as I said, and Hwangwon is my wrecker. But then again, I'm kind of falling a little bit for Kyunhee. He's super cute. Raven used to be my bias at the beginning of this, but again, your bias picks you. Lido came out after that and was like, nope, I'm your bias. Okay, I have no idea what this is. Oneus Dance Monkey. Let us go right now. Is Kyunhee the doll? No. I can't see. Oh my god, that was just Xion. Oh my god, so cute. I didn't see him hiding behind Xion. Oh, I love this song. Why am I getting emotional with this? Oh my god, these groups. I'm dying for Lido wearing this sailor outfit right now. Oh, Xian's supposed to be Mickey Mouse. And Hwangwon is like what? Pinocchio? Peter Pan? Pinocchio? Now who is Kyunhee supposed to be? Or Suho? Oh my god, back off, Lido. Oh, Lido, Donald Duck. Lido's Donald Duck. Oh my god. It's not just any sailor, it's Donald Duck in his sailor outfit. Oh, they're toys. Do they have makeup on? Hwangwon, what the f? I legit got scared. Like he jumped out. I was not expecting that. Oh my god. His facial expressions though are so good. That's my wrecker. How did it go from Mickey Mouse, Donald Duck, and all that other good stuff to this? What the hell's going on? Yes! Stop sleeping on Oneus. That's all I gotta say. Stop sleeping on them. And now it's back to the person came home and turned on the lights and they're back to normal. That's so cute. What a cute concept. Oh, but Hwangwon still has the makeup on. If you jump at me one more time, I swear to God. I don't do horror films, so I can get jump scared pretty easily. Ow, okay, that was not what I expected. I did not expect it to go dark at all. I didn't even know what that was gonna be. That was great. They looked great. Their dancing's amazing. Their facial expressions are amazing, especially Hwangwon. Oh my god, he really got into character. Especially him jumping out of the damn screen, like what the f. That's awesome. Once again, stan Oneus. Don't sleep on them. Their comeback is in a couple weeks. My birthday is in August. This is a great time to be alive. Between AT's comeback, Oneus comeback, Stray Kids have been giving us stuff, feeding us. I'm just so happy because 2020 has sucked and now like we're getting all this great stuff. So I am so thankful. What did you think of this video? Who is your bias in Oneus? Also, let me know down below what other videos you'd like to see me react to on this channel. I do have a list of some that I still have to edit, like LMM by Hwasa. I do have the other Oneus video. I have a couple AT stuff to do, so just stay tuned for all that stuff. And the bedazzling video that I did for my Mott's special edition light stick. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!